Hi everybody, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another art journaling video for you. So I'm playing in my craft journal using some gloss sprays. I'm starting off with blackberry and also sky, and I'm just adding some squirts of these onto the page. Oh, and I think that's carnation as well, yeah. And it's nice because often with the first layer of gloss sprays onto the background, it soaks in, so you get quite a muted effect with it, so it works quite nicely. Then I used the marks stencil, and I'm going to be using the same colours but in paint, just to add some mark making onto the background using the stencils. Decided I would use one of these faces from one of Dina Wakley's faces collage packs, and I'm going to be adding some crazy hair onto this lady once she is stuck in place. I'm using some gel medium to stick her down. So then I'm using the Stabilo All, and I'm just giving her some hair that looks like it's sort of blowing in the wind, and then just kind of working on making the image that's already there blend with what I've drawn in myself. Then I water activated it using the a water brush. I love the effect that that gives when you water activate the Stabilo All. It's such a cool look. And then giving it a really good dry before I went in again with the pencil and just added some more marks. Then I just decided I would add a bit of white into her eye and some pink cheeks. And then I was adding some marks into some of the stenciling that I'd done on the page. So this was actually a really quick and easy page to do. All it was a bit of gloss spray, a bit of stenciling, and then the face with the Stabilo All added on the top. And then lots of playing with mark making on the page too, lots of dots. And then just finding one of the Tim Holtz chipboard phrases, and I always take a bit of the backing off just to make it not quite so chunky. A little bit of journaling, which I did along the bottom and top of her hair. And that was it. That is the finished page. I did add some splatters too using some white Posca pen, but there we go, that's finished. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you again soon.